In this video, I'm going to show you how to make all of your videos private at once on TikTok. Basically, it's pretty easy, just follow the steps I do to not make any mistakes. So all you need is just to open your TikTok account and then just open your profile. So hit the profile icon in the right bottom corner. After that, we'll open our account page. And of course, we can just open every single video, click on more in the right side, and then just change the settings to switch it to like private mode, to change the privacy settings, to change like who can watch to no one, to only me, for example. But what if we want to make them all private, if we have a lot of videos and it's not the solution to change for everyone? So how can we solve for all of our videos? All you need is just to open settings. So in the right top corner, just click on more button and then just click on settings and privacy. After that, scroll down to find support and about, and then just click on report a problem. So after that, we'll open this page. Let's wait for a little. After that, scroll down to find submit a report. So the last line, basically the interface has changed for a little, so now we can just click on submit a report, and here we need to tell about the problem. So we need to write hello, I want to make all of my videos as private, help me please. Basically, it doesn't matter, you can write something in a different way, but you need to tell the TikTok team that you need to make all of your videos as private. So after that, we successfully described our problem and we can just click on submit. Yeah, and in a few maybe hours or days, our TikTok support will help us and probably we will change all of our video settings to private. It doesn't work in a 100%, but at least some of you can get this well. So I hope guys this video was useful for you. If it is, please like this video, subscribe to my channel and watch my other tutorials. Goodbye.